I'm tired of the fakeness. Tired of the fake shit. When am I gonna find someone to truly love me? I'm searching. When I'm gonna find someone who really loves me, who treasures my time, that person's one of a kind. I'll be searching like every time, yeah, but my heart keep on getting broken. Sorry for the shit I just misspoken. And you better know my heart is like a book that is being read and it ain't finished, but I'm on the way and I won't play. I'm hoping for the day that I meet the right one I can call my bae, and she gonna stay in any weather, and I love all my treasure forever. And this link that gonna make it cannot be severed. Baby girl, you better know I will be there for you every day, every step of the way when I meet you. I really wanna greet you, baby girl, I wanna see you, I won't be deceitful. I really wanna see you, baby girl, I really wanna meet you. I'll be searching like every time for a girl I can call mine. Like the sun we can shine. Baby girl, I wanna meet you. I'm searching for you, my soulmate. And I got faith, but I can't wait. My patience is thin. Baby girl, your love I believe in. But I'm searching for you, but my heart feels like it's in a bin. Baby girl, I'm tired of the heartache, the heart breaks. Baby girl, people I meet, they be fake. I wanna see you because I know you're gonna be real to me. I don't know who you be, but I know it's my destiny to meet you. And I really wanna greet you and say hello. I wanna make your life happy. Baby girl, I will be there for you even when life is being crappy. Baby girl, I want you to smile, be there for me. I'll be there for you. You're the number one, will never be two. And I'm waiting on the day that I meet you, girl. I'm searching for someone that's not gonna hurt me, that's gonna put me first like I'm gonna put them first. But life is like a curse, I've been through the worst. I feel like my heart is sit down in the dirt, yeah. But I'm searching because I believe in true love. Baby girl, when I meet you, you're like an angel from above. Yeah, someone that I will always fucking love. Yeah, I wanna see you, wanna make you my source of happiness. Baby girl, I hope that you stay true, cause I believe in you. I need someone that's gonna have my back, that's a fact. I don't need nobody to stab me in that. I need somebody real.